up, student? This is the first lecture of our course Python with Turtle, and in this lecture we are going to learn about the basic definition of turtle. So what the turtle is. Python with Turtle is a Python library, right? So it is a library or a module of Python that enables you to create virtual drawings and shapes. So if we want to draw virtual drawings and shapes, we have to use this library. So it is nothing but a library or a module of Python programming language, right? The turtle is the pen, right, that used to draw. So if we want to draw on a paper in a physical world, we need a pen or a pencil to draw a different shapes or drawing on a paper. But if we want to draw on a screen, then we have to use this turtle module from Python programming. As you can see, these two pictures, they are the example of the turtle graphics. So they are drawn by using the turtle module. So we will also learn how to draw these kind of shapes. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.